Today, Andrew Luan gives walking tours chronicling the 2008 financial collapse from its epicenter, New York's financial district. But when Lehman Brothers collapsed, Luan was working on the secondary CDO desk at Deutsche Bank. That's CDO as in Collateralized Debt Obligation, the assets that linked the global money supply to the U.S. housing market and helped cause the financial collapse of 2008. He left Deutsche Bank in April 2009 to start his tour guide company, the Wall Street Experience, headlined by the Financial Disaster Tour.
So I started giving these tours to my friends and family. What happened was basically just the word spread, and then friends and friends came along. When I started it was a little bit scary. It was just a website and myself. And I remember I got my first sale and my first customer, and it went from there. We built up an organization that has 6 guides at this point. We do tours events for tourists, school groups, and corporations from around the world. So essentially what the CDO does, it buys asset, and the cash flow from the asset is used to pay off the charge holders, the bond holders. 40-year assets, mortgages. We want you to leave with understanding of finance, at least not the intricacies of it, but at least conceptually, what the market, the function of the markets as it pertains to the economy. I didn't know much about the markets until attending MBA, until attending graduate school to study business. That's why I wanted to start something like this, to give people a sense of what it's like to be on Wall Street, and give people a chance to meet someone from Wall Street and ask questions about our lives and why we chose this profession, and what we think, our perspective on the markets. I was trading that stuff, and I thought I didn't have any of that in my portfolio, my personal portfolio, that is. I actually did, and it's through your mutual funds. If you read
Luan, also a former professional blackjack player, says this bet has paid off.
Seeing the expressions of people's faces as they go through our tours, it made it all worthwhile, yes.